We're trying to save money here.
Can we just buy
We're
another
still in my
plane ticket?
room. We haven't even left. We're trying to save money.
Why are we even...
We can't even afford a taxi. Just get in the...
A taxi?
A taxi.
A taxi.
A taxi. Just get in the bag.
No, we can afford it.
In
You're just
the bag.
You're just cheap. You need to
Nope.
learn how to spend money and
Just get in the bag.
this is ridiculous. Are you kidding me? Are you serious?
Yes, I'm serious. Get in the bag. Stand.
Okay. Now what?
I don't know. Okay, let's go.
Well, maybe I should.
It's time for us to go.
Maybe if I put it on its side.
And
Okay.
dude, you're heavy.
I'm coming. Just drag me. Just drag me and go. Just go.
I'm trying to go.
Just go. Go, dude.
Alright, so finally got my friend in here. We're gonna be heading off. Sir, you can't take that to the airway. Well, what the do you think I'm trying to do? I'm trying to take this luggage here. This nice old luggage here. Now, if you would like to check it, that'd be okay with me. Well, I think I'll start off with the cushion test. Seems to hold up.
Oh my.
Seems to be pretty good.
Ow, that one hurt in the morning. Oh my. Ow. Oh, stop.
Okay, stop it.
Ow. Oh my. Ow. Oh. Ow. Ow, that one hurt in the morning.
Too late.
Oh.